Did you know it's possible to click a few buttons and get unlimited free traffic to your website or affiliate link in as little as 52 seconds? If that excites you, pay close attention. We've developed a software that does exactly that. It's called iTrafficX. This software is mind-blowing and enables you to get unlimited free traffic so you can finally make real, consistent money online. So, how exactly does iTrafficX work? In a nutshell, iTrafficX creates unlimited set and forget traffic streams automatically. Simply add a few pieces of information to the iTrafficX software, click the mouse a few times, and bam! In as little as 52 seconds later, the traffic starts rolling in. iTrafficX is completely newbie friendly, and you don't need any special skills or experience to get traffic flowing and start making money. It's fast, it's easy, and it works. The best part is, everyone can benefit from the free traffic that iTrafficX can get for you, including affiliate marketers, product creators, e-com store owners, brick-and-mortar businesses, list builders, freelancers, authors, coaches, bloggers and vloggers, stay-at-home parents, students, retired people, or anyone else wanting to get traffic and make money online. This makes iTrafficX a must-have tool for anyone who wants to make money online. You can start getting free traffic and make money in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log into the cloud-based software from any device with an internet connection. Step 2. Tell the software where you want your free traffic sent to. Can be any website or affiliate offer. Step 3. Sit back while the software gets you top quality traffic in 52 seconds or less. Being able to drive traffic on demand catapults you right into the laptop lifestyle. You can make money 24/7. Make money without any prior tech skills or experience. Create additional income out of thin air anytime you want. Bank extra money with just a few clicks of your mouse. Stop buying software and training that just don't work like they claim. Work smarter by using our software that does all of the heavy lifting for you. Travel the world, quit your day job, and live life on your own terms. And you know what's really killer about this software? The results you can get are better than using paid traffic and time-consuming free traffic methods. And that's not all. Because we know how important it is to be able to get traffic from anywhere, we've made iTrafficX cloud-based. This means you can use the software on any device, anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Drive free traffic to your websites or affiliate links when you're traveling or taking a vacation, even if you only take your smartphone. You're probably thinking that this revolutionary traffic-getting software is probably very expensive. Although it would be easy to charge you $47 per month for this, and you'd still be getting great value even at that price. However, you're not going to pay anywhere near that today. During this special launch, we're slashing the price and eliminating the monthly fee, but only for a limited time. That means when you get iTrafficX right now, you're not going to pay $47 per month for access to this fantastic software. In fact, you're not going to have to pay monthly at all. By hitting the buy button today, you get instant access to iTrafficX for a single, one-time only payment. And that's not all. When you act today, you'll receive premium money-making bonuses worth $4,297, including the agency edition, absolutely free. And to make this a total no-brainer for you to grab this right now, you're fully protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk. The only possible way you can lose here is by missing out on iTrafficX at a massive discount. So act fast, because the price goes up every 60 minutes. For real. If you wait, you'll pay more. Are you tired of struggling to get the traffic you need? Are you ready to stop spinning your wheels and finally make real money online? Do you want to get free, top converting traffic to any website in the next 52 seconds or less with just a few clicks of your mouse? Then click the button below now to lock in your discount and get instant access to iTrafficX.